Hello viewers, as I have promised you earlier, I will be sharing with you some words and phrases in Mandarin in order to make our learning more interesting. So first, let's start with some words. The first word is I. We say I as wo. Repeat after me, wo. The second word is you in a singular form. We will pronounce it as ni. Repeat after me, ni. The third word is he, she or it. They all share the same pronunciation, but the difference over here is of the character, as you can see on the board also. So you will pronounce it as tha. Repeat after me, tha. The fourth word is you in a plural form. We will pronounce it as niman. Repeat after me, niman. So man is acting as a plural suffix over here. The last word is we or us. We will pronounce it as woman. Repeat after me, woman. So as we have already started, man is acting as a plural suffix over here. I hope all the basic words are clear to you all. So today, in phrases, we will learn greeting. Greeting a person is ni hao. Repeat after me, ni hao. So this ni hao is usually used when we want to greet a person of the same age group or a person younger to us. When we want to greet our elders or give respect to any person, it's nin hao. Repeat after me, nin hao. When we want to greet any profession like a doctor, teacher or a nurse. If we want to greet a doctor, it's nin hao ishan. Repeat after me, nin hao ishan. So ishan is a word used for a doctor in Mandarin. If we want to greet a teacher, it's nin hao lao shre. Repeat after me, nin hao lao shre. So lao shre is a word used for a teacher in Mandarin. If we want to greet two persons, it's ni man hao. Repeat after me, ni man hao. So as we have already started, man is acting as a plural suffix over here. If we want to greet many persons, it's ta chia hao. Repeat after me, ta chia hao. When we want to greet any person good morning before 7 a.m., it's sao shang hao. Repeat after me, sao shang hao. When we want to greet any person good morning after 7 a.m., it's shang u hao. Repeat after me, shang u hao. When we want to greet any person good afternoon, it's xia u hao. Repeat after me, xia u hao. When we want to greet any person good evening, it's wan shang hao. Repeat after me, wan shang hao. When we want to wish any person good night, it's wan an hao. Repeat after me, wan an hao. When we want to welcome any guest, it's huan en. Repeat after me, huan en. When we want to greet any person on phone with hello, it's where. Repeat after me, where. So that's all for today. I hope today's words and greetings are clear to you all. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share.